Hello, conference attendees. First of all, I will present myself. My name is Mustapha Hankar. I am a PhD student in the Faculty of Sciences, University of Birjali in Al Jadida. I'm the corresponding author for this paper. So our work intends to design a new approach combining between sentiment analysis and topic modeling. So our paper is entitled Arabic Topic Modeling Based Sentiment Analysis Applied on COVID-19 Feedback Commands. So this is the paper structure. We'll begin by defining the problem background, and we'll introduce our paper, and then we'll set the implemented methods, and then in the fourth section we'll present our findings and results. Finally, we will conclude with a conclusion. So in March 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 outbreak being a pandemic after witnessing an exponential increase of coronavirus infections around the world. Many countries back then started to take severe and preventive measures to slow down the virus spread, such as lockdown, quarantine, and social distancing. A conducted study stated that people experienced psychological effects of being isolated at home and socially distanced from each other, and threatened of losing their jobs as a result of these taken measures. These impacts include traumatic stress symptoms, confusion, anger, anxiety, quarantine suppressed symptoms, infection fears, frustration, boredom, and so on. So in this paper, we designed a topic modeling based sentiment analysis system. This is a system combining both sentiment analysis techniques and topic modeling techniques to mine people's opinions about COVID-19 pandemic regarding many topics. This system receives pre-processed commands and extracts all the topics from the dataset and applies an aspect-based sentiment analysis using a pre-trained model called CAMEL. This is a supervised pre-trained model to classify sentiments to three polarities, positive and negative and neutral. The system combines many techniques such as topic modeling. We have already said that. For topic extraction, to extract topics from a corpus of documents, dimensionality reduction, forward embeddings, and sentiment analysis to classify sentiments into three categories: positive and negative and neutral. The dataset used for this study contains collected commands from Hesspress. Hesspress is an online news website in Morocco. These commands are written both in modern standard Arabic and Moroccan dialect. So our approach follows a three-step process. In the beginning, we extract the topics within the dataset using latent directly allocation, LDA, known as LDA. This is an unsupervised model for extracting the topics in a collection of documents, in a collection of textual documents. And then we reconstruct these topics to logical forms based on the score probability of words belonging to a specific topic. Secondly, we perform a full scan. After extracting the topics, we perform a full scan through the dataset and search for commands expressing those extracted topics. We repeat this task for every extracted topic. And finally, we perform a topic-based sentiment analysis on the resulted data frames from the second step to compute polarities using the CAMEL pre-trained model to classify sentiments to negative and positive and neutral. So the overall workflow of our system is shown in the figure below. So we begin with data collection. So we have already collected our dataset. The dataset is given to a cleaning and a pre-processing function to clean comments, stemming, and tokenization, etc. And then we apply a topic modeling method known as LDA to extract the topics within the documents. The next step is to match every extracted topic to every command in the data frames. And finally, we perform a topic-based sentiment analysis using the pre-trained model. So this is our results. The highest frequency of negative comments expressed fear and anxiety towards the new coronavirus, which is very normal because all the comments were collected in the first months of the pandemic, where the virus is still posing an unknown threat to lives people. First months meaning March, April, and May. The results prove that COVID-19 pandemic dramatically affected all ways of normal life. All expressed sentiments are highly negative concerning all the aspects. For example, we observe that most people felt deficient on how the pandemic affected the state economy. They also expressed fear, anxiety, discomfort of losing their jobs. Workers who lost their jobs were not satisfied with the government support plan during the quarantine period, because about 80% of expressed sentiment regarding this topic, the topic of COVID-19 and support plan, were highly negative. So we visualize our results in a bar chart. As you can see in front of you, we have in the x-axis the extracted topics. We have 6 topics: COVID-19 and economy, state economy, COVID-19 and education or e-learning, COVID-19 and fear anxiety topic, and COVID-19 and the government measures, and COVID-19 and health, COVID-19 and support plan. So, as you can see, the blue charts represents negative sentiments. The blue bars, the blue bars represent the negative sentiments, and the orange bars represent neutral sentiments. They are in the middle, and the positive sentiments are represented by the green bars. As you can see, as you can notice, we observe that all the aspects recorded a high frequency of negative sentiments. As you can see in the topic of COVID-19 and fear, anxiety, we have more than 800 sentiments were negative. The same thing for COVID-19 and government topic, we have more than 300 sentiments were negative. So it is obvious that the COVID-19 affected all aspects of life in Morocco. Conclusion: this paper proposes a hybrid approach for topic-based Arabic sentiment analysis that combines topic modeling and sentiment analysis. The system was applied on collected data about COVID-19 pandemic to analyze sentiments on a topic-based level. The results showed that all expressed sentiments regarding extracted topics were highly negative. Finally, I thank the conference attendees. I'm sorry I did not make it to assist to the conference because I have work to do. Thank you very much.